Okay, modeling one-step equation. We're just going to look at one of the ways that we've done it on here, but we are looking at the balance way of doing it. So the tiles are a little different. We have the rectangle, well, this one's not different. The rectangle, positive, and then the squares are ones. So positive 1, negative 1. So on this side of my balance, remember this is your equal sign. On this side I have 1x and 2 positives. 1x plus 2 equals 6. If we're going to solve this, remember our goal is to isolate the x. So we need to get rid of our 2 positives by adding 2 negatives. Okay. Now, though, we've unbalanced our equation. We've created some zero pairs, which gets rid of those. But by adding those negatives, we unbalance our equation. We have to do the same exact thing to this side. And now I've created 2 zero pairs, which means those 2 go away, and I'm left with only 4. So what my model now looks like is 1x equals, let's draw that line that we did today, 4 positives. So x equals 4. The next model is a little bit different. We have 6 positives on the left. This is our equal sign. We have 3 x's on the right. Okay. Now our x is already isolated, but we need to get it where it's down to 1x. So if I redraw what I have 3 x's, and I'm going to move this over so it's a little bit closer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these ones, these 6 ones, and I'm going to distribute them evenly. So I have 1, 1, 2, 3, and so I'm going to mark 3 out up here. Then I'm going to distribute my next 3. There's my first one, my second one, and my third one. Now I have rows of x and 1s. If I circle one row, I see that x equals positive 2. If we're going to draw a model from scratch, x, I'm going to rewrite that because it's x plus negative 2 equals 4. So I'm going to draw my x. I'm going to put my 2 negatives. I'm going to draw my line, because that's how I like to do it. And I'm going to put my 4 positives. Now remember, the goal is to always isolate x. In order to do that, I need to get rid of my 2 negatives. I'm going to add 2 positives to this side, which creates a zero pair, and those cancel out. But now by doing so, I've unbalanced my equation, and I have to add 2 more positives to the right side. So then I take what I'm left with, and I have 1x on this side, which is great. That means it's isolated. And I have 6 positives on this side. Okay, so x equals 6. Okay, I hope that helps. Let me know if you are still struggling with this.